So I'm going to show you very quickly a feature in IntelliJ that I use quite a lot. It's the local history. Now when you're coding and using version control, very often you check your code in and you can diff between the versions of code that you've checked in. Very often when I'm starting to code, I'm working in a very tactical approach. I don't know if this code's going to work. I may not even have added it to version control at this point if I've just started a new project. I rely very heavily at that point on a feature in IntelliJ called the local version control, or the local history. So I'm going to show you that. Here is a class. This is an end result. This is the code that I checked into GitHub. If I go and do a right click and have a look at the local history, show history, I can see that there's a lot more code changes than what I put into GitHub. So if I scroll back to where I was yesterday, then I can see all the code that isn't present in there. And I can see that as I was going through my refactoring, what code I chunked out at different points. And IntelliJ is pretty good at keeping the local history in place so you can jump back. This is useful when you're actually working on something and you're making changes and you've kind of forgotten what you do, but you want to roll back a couple of steps, or you've deleted some code accidentally and done some copy and paste in the meantime and want to go back to where it is. But I use it very often just to see where I came from. And the reason I'm showing this is I'm just about to create a video that explains how I refactored from this horrible mess of code into this nice code, and I needed to find the code to do that. So do get used to the IntelliJ history. It might well save your life one day.